Hi, today I want to talk a little bit about Wohlfahrt Foundation Study number 4. It's a great etude, and it's specifically used by me for getting independence of the second finger when playing beginner pieces. When we first start playing the viola, we always start playing with a lot of pieces that use this finger pattern. Step, and a whole step for an F sharp, G natural half step, and then A whole step. I call that Suzuki position because the first few pieces in the Suzuki book number 1 all use that pattern. But the problem with that is that we all get into this habit of always having that second finger next to the third finger, like so. After a while, we have to play other pieces where the second finger is next to the first finger. We always end up getting this look like this. Where the second finger kind of tags along with the third finger, and then it always has to slide back to play the F natural with the low second finger. So how can we practice that to effectively make the second finger independent and be able to choose which note it gets to easily? Well, I use this exercise here, which is Wohlfahrt number 4 in the book number 1 of Foundation Studies for Viola. Because I play first finger to third finger to a low second finger. It just takes a little bit of practice and a few extra exercises to get it so that we can naturally play the low second finger after the third finger. After that, we can figure out how to play with a lot more independence in our second finger. This is really, really, really helpful because not all pieces use an E and an F sharp and a G. A lot of them use that F natural, that low second finger. So let me go ahead and give you some exercises, and we'll use this exercise number 4, the Wohlfahrt number 4, which I will put a copy of. If you click the link at the bottom in the comments section, I'll put a link to a copy of this one exercise so that you can have it printed out and work with it yourself. It's really pretty simple. So the first thing I do is that I want to establish that I can play my first finger and then the second finger with the F sharp. So I'll just do a few little trill-like things here. You can practice that a little bit with the high second finger, and now I'm going to change that to a low second finger. That's right. Now, just for a little silent thing, I'm going to put down my third finger while my second finger is down and tap my second finger. That's the low 2 there, touching my first finger. Now I'm going to change it and have it touch my third finger. Just a simple exercise of tapping. No sound, just tapping. High second finger touches my third finger, and then low second finger touches my first finger. That's also a good exercise. You see how I'm just touching my first finger? Now I'm touching my third finger. Then I can do it on the fingerboard. Tap, tap, move it, tapping, back down. So you can see I'm really, really, really working on that second finger there, like so. Here you go, there's another view. Now I can do one at a time like this. Or actually, let's start with 2, 2, 2, 2. Let's see that from a different angle. 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Different angle. 1, 1, 1, 1. If you notice, my other fingers, first finger, third finger, and fourth finger, are not moving at all, and I'm just exercising that second finger. That in itself is a great exercise for finger independence. Now I'm going to use the bow, and all I'm going to do is basically the same thing. So play 1 and 2. And a high second finger. That's it. Now I'm going to trill on the third finger. And you're going to see I'm going to keep my second finger up in the air for now and just go 1 and 3. Another angle. I try to not move that third finger very much at all. And now I'm going to keep my first finger and my second finger together. So I'm going to kind of put my second finger against my first and do the same tap. And now I'm going to touch my 2 fingers together here, my second and my third fingers. Like so. And then I'm going to try to rotate that, or not rotate. I'm going to try to what's the word for this? 1 time here, 1 time here, 1 time here, 1 time here. So, I'm going to start with my 2 fingers touching. Move the second finger to touch the third. Touch again. Always making sure my third finger plays the same pitch on the G. Like that. Once I do that, now I have my second finger here, and now I can try to play. So now my second finger is working next to the first finger, and then I can go to my third finger. Touch the second finger to my first finger. And now I can try to play my song. There it is. I'll do it a few times. Let's look from a different angle. You see the second finger's back here. The main thing being that the second finger is ready to play that low second finger, or the F natural. You can also play with the high one. And then the low one. And that's really about it. If I practice like that a lot, I get this incredible independence in that second finger. And then when I play this etude, I can keep the finger down low. Just like that. A very simple way to gain independence with our fingers. I hope this video has been really helpful to you, and I promise you that if you do these little exercises that you'll really see a lot of improvement in your viola playing. Until the next time, have a great time practicing, and I'll see you soon.